these windshield wipers are complete turds. So today I'm gonna do a little refresher on windshield wipers because I can never remember how to put them on. So why not? Let's do a little video on switching out some windshield wipers. Alright, so for these, I'm going to be putting on these Michelins. I got these at Costco. They're just like, I think they're on sale for $6 each. And what you're gonna need a 26 inch and then a 16 inch. So let's go ahead and pull these things up. And then I'm just gonna flip this wiper upside down. So let's try to get in real close here. See if I can make it focus on that. Right underneath here, there's a little tab. I want to push it in. I'm going to use a flathead to push it and then slide it straight back. And boom, it's off. Now with this particular windshield wiper, it's got this little cover right here, and you need to take this yellow piece out in order for it to clip back on once it's installed on your wiper assembly. But what I'm going to do to install this, I'm going to take this off. So first I'm going to squeeze this together right here to pull that out, and then I can slide it from this way onto my wiper assembly. Okay, with this off, I'm going to go ahead and just slide it up and into the assembly like that. I'm going to reinsert this cover. There's a couple of beveled edges to make it easy to slide on. And then once that's on, you're going to push it down to lock everything in place. Take off your protector, and now you're done. Slide this thing down and try it out. Alright, let's try out the new wipers. I'm sure they're just going to be incredible. Oh yeah. Yep, that's quiet. Oh, and the windshield wiper fluid, so good. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Probably the best mod anybody could ever do. It improves drivability, visual, it's great. If you like this little maintenance video, please go ahead, click that subscribe button, give it a like, and we will see you in another video.